Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing one Google account and choosing how you'll run 100 translations. This sets repeatability and rate limits. Open Google Translate in your browser or app and pick the source and target languages for the first run. If you plan to repeat often, decide now. Manual copy-paste for quick ad hoc work, batch import with CSV for large lists, or the Cloud Translate API for automation and logging. Once done, perform your first translation and verify output quality before scaling up. Now scale to reach 100 translations efficiently by choosing the right execution path. If manual, use shortcuts and a clipboard manager to paste 10-20 items per minute and track progress. If using CSV, format one column per language, save UTF-8, and import or use a simple script to iterate rows. If using the API, obtain a key, implement exponential backoff for rate limits, and log responses so you can rerun failed items. Make sure to test a subset before committing to the full run. Complete the task by validating and saving all 100 translations in your preferred format, whether a document, spreadsheet, or database. Sample check at least 10% to confirm fidelity and adjust glossary or wording rules as needed. If you encounter truncation, split long segments or use the API's batch options. For connectivity or API failures, inspect quotas, billing status, and add retries with incremental delays. Once everything is saved and backed up, you're done. Keep a reproducible script for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.